and this is what happened in the pandemic too. It's funny. So in a normal life, all, you know, on a weekday, she has a little bit of work, a whole bunch of rest because you're gone to work, and then a little bit of play and / work at the end of the day. Then on the weekends, the routine, and I know she's young, but they pick up on it like that. Then on the weekends, it gets a little bit reversed where she gets more work because there's more time, depending, unless you've got kids that you run all over the place. And then a little bit less rest.
Right.
And then a whole lot of play.
Right.
So that by Monday, she's thankful that you've gone back to work.
Right.
So she can have more rest because she's tired. So what happens when you're on school break is every day is Saturday. And she's going like, I just wish these people would leave me alone. Oh, no. I'm just going to go. I don't know what else to do with my energy. She's not consciously saying I'm going to bite them. She's just overtired and doesn't, she's frazzled.
It's like a toddler.
Exactly like a toddler, because she's used to this.
Yes.
Even as a puppy, this sometimes is hard, but you've got her doing this well.
Oh, totally. Yeah.
And so, but now all of a sudden it's this, and she's got not as much work, hardly any rest, and a whole bunch of play. And that's opposite to what she's used to, so she's acting out. So the solution is, yes, we still stick with our stuff on how we deal with biting, but it's to monitor it when you go back to work and see how she is.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Because if it sticks around, then that's the deal. But that's very likely what's happening. So the solution is to make sure, mind you, we're at the end of the week now, but is to still treat the weekdays like weekdays. And I know it's hard because you want to spend time with her. Right. Everyone feels guilty because the puppy's at home and they want to play with her, and this is fun. I'm the same. Oh yeah. You know, and so I'm the same and you're the same, and it doesn't make it wrong. It just means that you want to be aware of it.
So in the summertime, I should really be aware of it.
Well, yeah, and in the summertime, it won't be as bad. Right. Because she'll be older.
Right, exactly.
Right now, she's at that toddler stage,
right,
where she just gets overtired and cranky, and I don't know what else to do, so I'm going to bite. But still in the summer, for sure, for your own enjoyment, you want to still give her scheduled rest times so that you can have a break. Okay, and that's it.